welcome back to Slick and Natty. So we are back with the second episode of our Diwali series.
Yeah, so this is part 2 of Diwali decoration ideas. And if you haven't watched part 1, then click here to watch part 1. So now coming to decoration idea number 2. We've created this bright look for you with beautiful multicolored lanterns or candle holders. So without further ado, let's start with the tutorial. So for this idea, you will require a few multicolored felt paper sheets, a few white plain sheets, a few candles, some paper clips, few multicolored threads, a sharp blade or cutter, a compass and a pair of scissors. So start by taking one of the felt paper sheets and cut a square out of it. Now put it on a white plain sheet so that you can cut the same size square on the white plain sheet. Now mark the center of this square by folding it twice like this. Now place the compass on the marked center and draw the largest circle that you can draw on this square. We have to draw a design like this on this sheet. So I have marked 4 points about 1.5 centimeter away from each other, and I'll be making concentric circles passing through these points like this. Please note that the circles are not complete and that they have openings like this. We'll be posting a scanned copy of this design on our Facebook page, so you can download it, copy it, word and resize it. Now I will cut along the outermost circle, and I will take a blade and make incisions along the inner lines. I will repeat this for all the lines. Now place this cutout on the felt paper square and stick it to it using paper clips like this. Now mark the boundary of the outer circle on the felt paper sheet like this, and also trace the inner lines onto the felt paper sheet through the cuts. Now pull out the paper clips and remove the paper sheet. You will get a design like this. Now start cutting along the outer circle using a pair of scissors. Now take a sharp blade and start making incisions at the beginning of each of the inner lines. Now take a pair of scissors and insert it into the incision that we had made with the blade and start cutting along each of the lines. Repeat this for every line. Now your lantern or candle holder is ready, and all you have to do is open it up like this. It opens up into a beautiful intricate structure, and people will keep wondering how you made this. Now one tip, if you want to place a candle or a light in the center, then make this center circle larger and reduce the number of these concentric lines. This is so because it will get elongated due to the weight of the candle, and it will not look good if it has too many lines. Now I'll be telling you 2 ways of tying thread to these candle holders. For the first one, fold from one side like this and secure it with a tape. Do the same thing on the opposite side and again secure it with a tape. Now tie a thread at the place where you had put the tape and secure it with a double knot. Now tie it on the other end as well in the same way. So this is how we have tied the thread, and this is how the lantern will look. For the second option, bring the 2 opposite ends together and secure them with the tape like this. Now fold one of the other ends like this and again secure it with a tape. Do the same thing with the other end like this. Now take a piece of thread and tie it in the center, securing it with a double knot, and push it to one side. Now tie the other end of the thread in the center in the same way and push it to the other side like this. And this is how the lantern will look. Now coming to the final look, I have here taken an artificial tree branch and tied the lanterns to it. You can take a real tree branch as well. I have tied the lanterns with threads of different length. Also I have tied yellow and orange marigold flowers using threads in between to give it a more festive look. I have placed diyas and LED lights in some of these lanterns to complete the look. We hope that you like this look. It's a little different from the usual decoration ideas. Do recreate it at your homes and share the pics with us on our Instagram account, which is Slick and Natty, with the hashtag Diwali with Slick and Natty. And we'll be coming up with another Diwali decoration idea video, so do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.